What is AI really? Are you like Sam, scrolling through all the AI hype lately and wondering what even is AI? Is it a robot taking over the world? Or just a smarter version of Google? The answer? It's way simpler and cooler than you might think. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which means machines that can think or learn like humans, but not in a sci-fi way. Every time Netflix recommends your next movie or your phone unlocks with your face, that's AI in action. It learns from data, makes decisions, and improves over time. Think of it as giving your computer a brain, not feelings, just logic and pattern recognition. AI doesn't think like us. It finds patterns, reads tons of data, and acts based on logic. Let's say you show it 1,000 pictures of cats and dogs. Over time, it learns the subtle differences, ear shape, tail length, fur color, and becomes really good at telling them apart. This process is called machine learning, teaching computers through examples instead of step-by-step instructions. Some advanced AIs, like ChatGPT, fall under generative AI. They can understand language, answer questions, even write code by learning from a massive amount of online information. And now, we have AI agents, the next step. These systems don't just generate answers. They can analyze, reason, and even take actions based on their knowledge. Like a digital assistant that actually does things, AI is already changing the world, from self-driving cars to diagnosing diseases, even how we shop online. But here's the key. AI isn't here to replace us. And it's definitely not some ghost with magical powers trying to take over the world. It's just reflecting the patterns and behavior it learned from digital data, from us. It's built on an enormous understanding of human nature, and it's designed to work with us, like a super assistant that never sleeps and remembers everything it ever learned. Next time you hear someone say, AI is blackmailing people, pause and ask, isn't it just reflecting the common human behaviors it was trained on? Now that you know what AI is, what would you use it for? Let us know in the comments. And follow for more easy tech explainers. No tech degree needed.